Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to fill in the detergent into your Dreamy Aqua10 Ultra. Okay, so let's open the door right here by holding them from below and pulling them forward. Now, you'll find this cleaning detergent compartment. You can pull it, and in my case there's A and B. In A, you should only put the Dreamy cleaning solution. They say in the manual that it should be only the official Dreamy cleaning solution, so make sure you're using that because otherwise you may have some problems with returns if something breaks and you need to get it fixed. They may recognize that you haven't been using the correct one, and it may lead to some mold or the product being destroyed if you're using a non-official cleaning solution. So that's what you put in A, the standard cleaning solution, and in B you put some other one. Also, I'd recommend the Dreamy one, the official one, but there are different options, non-standard cleaning solutions, which are going to be like pet odor minimizer or stuff like that. Now, after it's done, you can go to the app to make sure that the correct solution is selected in the settings so that it knows which one is put in the B slot. So as you go into the app, you will notice that there's 3 dots in the top right corner, then dock settings. Now you should find, I believe it's there, yes, at the very top. You can enable mopping with detergent and mop-washing with detergent, and the tank A detergent should be set to standard or off. When it's off, it won't use the detergent because it doesn't have it, and when it's set to standard, it will automatically add detergent, which is going to be the Dreamy detergent. Now the second one, the tank B, can be set to pet detergent. When it's set to pet recognition, and you can set it to off, standard or high frequency, and that is basically it. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.